video will walk you through how to use Virtuoso. The introduction. Virtuoso is a method of document retrieval designed to give you quick access to the documents you use most. Virtuoso organizes WorldDocs Find templates through the use of palettes. These palettes contain launcher buttons which point to a WorldDocs Find template. These Find templates can contain a special code which references your CRM. This enables you to search for documents based on the contact record that you are on in your CRM. Note, for those using internet browser-based CRMs, Virtuoso is currently only compatible with Internet Explorer. Once installed, you can open Virtuoso by double-clicking on the Virtuoso icon on your desktop. Now I'll show you how Virtuoso works. I've navigated to my contact record in my CRM, and I'd like to see which legal documents this particular client has in WorldDocs. Therefore, I will go to my Virtuoso palette docked here on the right-hand side of my screen and choose the Legal Docs button. Virtuoso then performs a search for the legal documents in the WorldDocs document management system so that I can quickly and easily double-click and open those documents.